Hey everyone, my name is Lindsay and I'm a Child Life volunteer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make coffee filter butterflies. This is a really fun craft and a good way to get creative, so let's get started. So one of the best things about this craft is that you only need a couple of things to make a cool butterfly. So for each craft you'll need 2 coffee filters, a pipe cleaner of any color of your choosing, and then just something to write with. So today I'm going to be using markers, but you can use crayons or colored pencils or whatever you have laying around, and you can still make a really great butterfly. So let's get into the craft. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab 2 coffee filters. So 1, 2, and then you're going to flatten them out. They don't have to be perfectly flat, but just flat enough so you can color on them. So they should look a little something like this. So now that our coffee filters are nice and flat, the next thing I'm gonna do is take my markers for drawing some designs for my butterfly wings. Alright, so now that I have my 2 coffee filters colored, we're going to start folding them. Now the way that we're going to fold these is you're going to do an accordion fold. So we're going to fold forward first, and then after you make that first forward fold, turn your coffee filter over, and then make that same fold backwards. And then turn it over again, and then fold in the opposite direction again. So basically you're just gonna go the whole length of your coffee filter, turning it over, folding, turning it over again, and folding in about 1/2 inch sections. So I'm just gonna keep going and making sure I'm creasing every fold. And then at the end, it should look like a strip like this. So now that we have our coffee filters folded, they should look like 2 strips like this. And then you're gonna take your pipe cleaner and put your strips together like this and kind of scrunch them up in the middle. And then you're gonna take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around all the way. Then flip this one up, scrunch it together, and then you have 2 little antennas for your butterfly, and then you're gonna fold them in to make your antennas. And then finally, you're just going to carefully open up your butterfly wings by opening up these folds. And just adjust it so it looks the way you want it to. And there you have it. You have pipe cleaner, coffee filter, butterfly. Okay, so these are my finished butterflies. They were super easy to make and I think they turned out really good. So I hope you liked this tutorial on how to make the coffee filter butterflies, and I hope you make some really pretty butterflies too.